In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer payments in QuickBooks Online using sales receipts. Sales receipts are perfect when your customer pays you right at the time of sale, like at the counter or immediately after a service. Unlike invoices, there's nothing to collect later. Everything is recorded as paid on the spot. If you've already set up your customer list and products or services, this will be quick and consistent. To get started, sign in to QuickBooks Online and go to the top navigation bar. Click the Create button, the one with the plus icon. Under the Customers section, choose Sales Receipt to open a new form. First, pick the customer. Click the Customer field and choose an existing customer from the list. If the person isn't in your books yet, you can click Add Customer and enter their basic details so this receipt is tied to the right profile. Check the sales receipt date. QuickBooks fills this with today's date automatically, which works for most same-day sales. If you're documenting a sale from an earlier day, adjust the date so your reports stay accurate. Next, choose how the customer paid. Click Payment Method and select the option that matches the transaction, such as cash, bank transfer, or Gcash. Keeping this accurate helps with reconciliation and gives you clear payment breakdowns later. Look at Deposit To and leave it as cash and cash equivalents. This tells QuickBooks to place the money into your cash account, so it shows up correctly in your cash balance and cash flow reports. This also makes it easier to match what you record in QuickBooks with the deposit that appears in your bank. Now add what you sold. Under Product Service, select the item. These items represent your products or services and can carry default rates. Enter the quantity and confirm or edit the rate if needed. QuickBooks will calculate the line amounts for you. Before saving, take a moment to review the totals. The subtotal and total should reflect everything on the receipt. Because the customer is paying immediately, amount received should equal the total and balance due should be 0. This confirms it's a paid sale. Take a final glance for typos or unexpected amounts so your reports stay clean. When everything looks good, click Save. If you'd like to email a copy to the customer right away, choose Save and send to share the receipt without leaving the page. That's how you record payments using sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. If this tutorial helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.